Today, I'm transforming donuts into slime. I went to my favorite donut spot in Austin to get some insanely unusual donuts, even ones that we literally can't even show on camera. We even have donuts covered in cereal, breakfast and donuts. That's awesome. We got M&Ms. We even got a little guy there. I'm gonna pick 5 insane donuts and transform those into slime. Let's get started. Our first donut is the one covered in M&Ms, which is pretty insane. The first thing we're gonna be doing is actually making the donut itself. So we're gonna be using cloud dough, which is a really nice slime because it has this fake snow inside of it, so it makes a really good texture, and it kind of just looks like dough. I mean, it's literally in the name. But the best part is that this slime can actually hold a shape. First thing, I'm gonna be just dyeing this slime. So I have my yellow and brown dyes. Add our little dollop, and then I'll add just the tiniest bit of brown to make that nice dough color. Now, we're just gonna mix it together. So that's why I'm wearing gloves. So I don't wanna get the dye on my hands. You can already see it's transforming. There we go. I literally do not know how they got this color because mine does not look like that. So I'm just gonna add a little bit more yellow and then we should be good. The dough is pretty darn close to our donut, so I'm gonna say that's good enough, and this is also our slime version of it. There's no such thing as perfection when it comes to slime. Now I need to roll out the donuts, and then now we kind of just gotta mold it together. That looks like a darn donut. So now we have our plain donut. Since it has white frosting on it, we're gonna basically just kind of make like almost like a giant bubble like this, and then just kind of go over the donuts. And then what I'm gonna do is just rip this off, rip that off, and then now I'm gonna just kind of poke the middle. Hey! That kind of worked. It totally looks like we are glazing this donut. That's good enough because this is basically a full-on layer of M&Ms. So that's what we're gonna do here. Now, we don't have M&M charms. When Dan started working at Peachybbies almost 2 years ago, we actually first organized the M&M charms for a TikTok, and it took us like 2 hours to do it. And it ended up being like one of our first viral TikToks together. So it was really fun. Unfortunately, we don't have M&M charms. We just have these chocolate chips. However, we can basically just stick them in upside down, and then it'll essentially just look like M&Ms, even though it won't have the M on it, but that's okay. We covered the entire donut in M&Ms, and I think it came out pretty darn perfect. We batched it pretty dang well. I would say this is definitely a slime version of this M&M donut. This one's like a solid 8.5 out of 10, but let's move on to our second donut.
Hey, Christian, we needed that.
I'm hungry. Our second donut is gonna be a sprinkle donut, which personally, I think are overrated. I said it, sprinkles, all they do, they just make the donut look pretty. Other than that, they don't taste that good, okay? There, I said it, we can argue in the comments. Nonetheless, I think it'll be really easy to recreate this. So I actually have some leftover dough from our first one, but I am gonna darken it just a little bit because this one is a cake donut and not a fried donut. Now that our dough is finally colored right, we are gonna roll it out just like our last donut. It's almost like a giant hot dog. There we go. Got our donut shape. That looks like a delicious donut, but that reminds me, do not eat slime. We are making slime look like food, but don't eat slime. Slime is not edible. Please don't do it. So now we have this together. We're gonna put on our frosting. We're gonna do the same thing. We're just gonna put a thick and glossy on. So we gotta clear the glaze. Let's just cover this bad boy. If you get a dozen donuts, the sprinkle ones are usually eaten last. Come on. Overall, I think I'm satisfied with it. After all, it's gonna be covered in sprinkles. All right, let's dip this bad boy. Put it on the sides too. Ah, that looks so good. This one actually looks like a donut. The last one kind of didn't really look like a donut. This one genuinely looks like one. I'm gonna give this one a solid 9.2 out of 10. This is a great looking donut. Even though sprinkled donuts are mid, our slime donut is not. Before we move on to our third donut, this video is brought to you by Peachybbies.com, where you can buy all the slimes that you'll ever need. We restock every Friday at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I have Panda Candy here. This is an awesome, sweet, dual textured slime. Look how satisfying this is to push in. Oh my goodness. And it's so cute, comes with panda charms. You can buy a bunch of slimes like this at Peachybbies.com. Back to the video. Our third donut is this purple one. I don't know the exact flavor, but it looks really cool. They definitely glazed the entire donut, and then I like how half of it is covered in these sprinkles. This one's gonna be a bit more challenging to try to actually recreate. So I'm gonna make the dough a little bit lighter this time since it looks like this one is a lighter dough. So let's add a little bit of yellow, and then we'll add a little bit of some brown, and we'll mix that together. To be honest, it's really not that close, but it's close enough. So now we gotta roll out our donut. I wonder if any of you in the comments work at like a donut place. I'm curious. If you do, please comment below. I'm gonna go with the more taller donut because like, as you can see, I'm kind of make the dough like taller like this, and then see how the dough's taller. Kind of want to make it look as close as possible. Now we have our donut. We even got our little hole in there. So now we got to cover this entire thing with our thick and glossy slime. And then we need to get this side of the donut. So far, looking pretty good. We put our frosting on the slime, but we're gonna add some purple pigment to it because it looks like they sprinkle some sort of purple sugar on it. I'm not entirely sure. So let's just take a little bit and kind of add some details. Just to make our slime a little bit more vibrant, we just need to add a little bit of purple on there. And I like that it's not gonna look perfect because you can see our donut is not perfect either. And it really only needs to be on half of it because it looks like half of it they dip in sprinkles. So now we have our half of our donut. We have our sprinkles. And now I'm gonna be prepared. So I got a bowl and now we're gonna pour all of our sprinkles in here. So now I'm gonna kind of just take our thing and dip it. Oh, perfect. I mean, it's our slime version, all right? We don't have the exact colors. Their sprinkles are a little bit more blue, but nonetheless, this definitely looks like a purple donut. So I'm gonna rate this one. To be honest, it could have been better. I'm gonna give this like a 7, 8 out of 10, but overall, I still really like it. But let's move on to donut number 4. This 4th donut is gonna be insane, but wait until the 5th donut. You don't wanna miss it. This is called the Homer, or at least what Voodoo Donuts calls it. It's a pink frosted sprinkle donut with more sprinkles. Ugh, don't even get me started. But I love that we finally can dye the frosting. For some reason, this was the only donut that had any colored frosting they had available. Obviously, it's that iconic pink frosting. It looks so good. And then we have these really cool circle sprinkles. First things first, we gotta get our dough. I'm gonna actually be reusing some from our previous donuts, and I think I'm just gonna mix it together with some extra cloud dough, and then if we need to change the color, then that's fine. This one became a little bit lighter with the white as it probably was going to, so we're gonna add a little bit of brown to darken it. Getting my workout in. I don't need to go work out. I just gotta film a Peachybbies video. Now that our dough is finished, it's time to roll it out into our 4th donut, and this one's actually gonna be big, so we're gonna try to actually create that big hole, as this one does actually have a decent sized hole in it. So I wanna keep it even as best as I can. Oh, that looks great. There we go. Now we have our plain donut, so now it's time to dye our pink frosting. I'm going with rose pink because it's a pretty, well, that big glob. Hopefully that's not too much. So hopefully this will be just the right amount. We now have the frosting dyed pink, which looks dang near identical to this. I mean, that looks pretty good. There we go. We'll let that kind of seep over. And now we'll pick out this middle piece. Just use our fingers to kind of make it look nice. We just got to cover this. I want to make sure it's saturated. That's okay if it goes off the end there. It genuinely looks like that we frosted this donut. Our frosting is complete. We have our little sprinkles. So these are a bit tiny, but the equivalent that I found in the shop were these. So these are a bit bigger, but it's going to be close enough. We're going to pour these into the bowl. Now I'm gonna just try to, I guess, dunk this in. I don't know. I guess we'll just go like this. Pull it out. Oh, that looks awesome. I'm gonna address the elephant in the room. This one is a 9.5 out of 10. This one looks like the ideal version of a donut. This is like a slime donut in my dreams. It's perfect. Homer Simpson would be proud. Now let's move on to our 5th and final donut. This one is gonna blow your mind. Our 5th and final donut is a cereal donut. I've never heard of this before, but they put some Captain Crunch on a donut. Like, that is the most insane thing ever. So I'm really excited to recreate this. I've already recreated the dough. So let's roll out our 5th donut. And it looks like they kind of had the same thing where they don't really have a hole. I bet if I walked into the donut shop, I could fool them just like the people at Crumble Cookie. They'll think our slime donuts are the real donuts. That's how good they are. So let's put on our frosting. I think something kind of like that, because it looks like they kind of just have it on half of it. And then we have our cereals. I had Jack from the Clay team make this on the fly. She did a really good job. It looks pretty close to the real Captain Crunch. So we're gonna sprinkle on some of our Captain Crunch pieces. What a crazy donut idea. I can't believe somebody was like, hey, we need a donut item. You know what I got? Cereal. And they're like, yeah, that's a great idea. Dang, Jack made so many. We literally told her like 15 minutes before filming this video, like, hey, can we get some cereal real quick? And she literally whipped this out in 15 minutes. So everybody say thank you, Jack, in the comments. Final piece goes right there. We have our cereal donut. Make sure they're all attached. I'm gonna press down so we don't lose any. This is our slime recreation of a cereal donut. That is an awesome sentence to say. So this one looks pretty damn good. I do like the pink sprinkle donut better, but I'm gonna say this is a solid second place, 9.3 out of 10. Pretty dang good. There you have it. We turned 5 donuts into slime. I literally can't tell which one is real and which one is fake. Make sure you subscribe, like the video, comment below which food you want me to recreate into slime next. We'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, y'all.